Ano nga ba yung irregular menstruation? Regular menses usually last around 21 to 35 days. Plus minus na yan. Minsan medyo onting mababa, minsan onting mataas. Okay lang yun guys. It is still considered regular even though it varies from cycle to cycle. Ang kailangan mo lang matandaan, ano nga ba yung mga irregularities na dapat kong bantayan? Number 1, missing 3 or more periods in a row. So kumbaga, more than 3 months, hindi ka nagkakaroon. Number 2, menstrual flow bleeding that is usually more heavier than the usual. Ibig sabihin, kung dati nakaka-1 o 2 o 3 pads ka lang, ngayon 5 or 7. Mas madami yan sa usual mong pagbibleed. Number 3, period that lasts longer than 7 days. Usually nga, 3 to 5 days lang ang pag-mens. Pero pag lumalagpas ka na ng 1 linggo, ayun, medyo magtaka-taka ka na. Number 4, length of time within that cycle is more than, sabihin natin, 9 days. Masyadong malayo yung agwat. Parang 1 araw or 1 buwan, 28 days ka. Yung pangalawa, 40 days. So, kumbaga 20 days yung agwat ng menstrual cycle mo na ganun. Medyo classified rin siya as irregular menstruation. And last, pag meron kang menstruation accompanied by severe pain, cramping, or nasusukat na hilo. Ibig sabihin, kapag meron kang one of these symptoms, pwede mong i-consider na irregular siya. Pero syempre, always check up with your doctor kung talagang irregular ang iyong menstruation.